Okay, we're back. Clean up a bunch of stuff. A bunch of straps were all over the place for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, now we got these Allens in here. These come out a lot easier than those stupid 12 points do. Alright, that's a big improvement. Boom, boom, they're off. Back to where we started. Okay. Everything's rusted together. Clips won't come off. Figures. They're stuck on there like glue. Okay, I'm not sure which valves are open or not. Doesn't really matter per se. Okay, we got what? Where's my packaging toolkit I bought? Yeah. There we go. Got fancy sockets here. Bought this kit from SEMA a while ago, a couple of years back. Maybe 3 years back. Pretty nice little kit. So I'll give you these stubby sockets to use. Everything's stupid metric though. Nice little profile wrenches. So once you bust free the big wrenches, everything else comes out pretty easy. And we're just going to use this. I think it's a 7/16 of the bolts that don't work with metric. The 1/2 inch I think did. This 1/2 inch, that's not really super tight. No, not really. Those are like barely tight. Yeah. Nice little ratchet. It goes up and down like this. Really low profile because you got a little stubby socket, and a socket actually goes on the wrench like that. So it's very low profile, and if you push it in there correctly, like that, it stays put. And it's pretty fine, so it unscrews pretty much all the way pretty quickly. Makes things go a lot easier. Okay, but before I do all that, I should probably pull out the other ones. Now to reverse this, you have to pull the wrench around the other direction. Get a little bit ahead of myself. Right now I got rocker arm pressure on this stuff. I don't know how much. But these 4 bolts here control that. So you have to pull out 3 7/16 bolts and then 2 Allen bolts there. So I got to pull them out. Thought I had a wrench for doing that too. Some of them. I never use. Figures, the one I'm looking for is missing. The one I never want to use, the one that's sitting here. Yeah, great. So there's a 7/16 one floating around here. I don't see it anywhere. This one works good for doing the Allens. I used to have one of these out of 7/16 head on it that would do the 3 short ones, but appears to be missing. Oh well. We'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way. New stubby ratchet with a flex and a short socket. And a taller socket. Short. Long one works better in the front. Bolts are pretty loose, just come out easily. Make sure you get the washer too. These are all grade 8 bolts, so when you go to replace them, make sure you get a good one because these get torqued pretty heavy. They weren't on this job, but they will be when I'm done. And the last one. Go. Pull out the Allens. Works better from the other side. You get more room. Pretty easy. Washer got left. Washer. Okay, now we can pull the big bolts up. Now these you pull them up evenly. First you loosen them. You just give a little bit each way. This one has pressure on it. Just pull them a little bit off at a time. You won't break anything. It's loose. It's getting there. Okay, we're loose. So all the tension's off. And I lift up about 1/4 inch. See how much it lifted up here? So it lifted up about that 1/4 inch. They were fighting valve spring tension, hydraulic lifter tension. All of that stuff was putting pressure on everything. So these come up evenly and doesn't do any damage. Same with putting it back together, same deal. If you go with non-adjustable push rods. It's tight. Yeah. Tie it right down to the end. There you go. Okay. Whole box comes up as a unit. Ooh, drips all over the floor. There it is. Up your mess. Easier doing now than later. Okay. A bunch of oil inside of here. Okay, we got our 2 push rods here. Looks like crane push rods. Pretty obvious which one goes where by length, so it's not a major issue mixing them.